Gotcha! I gotcha!
Wow. Hi guys! So for today's vlog ay tayo mag-unbox na buksan natin. Ano ba ito? For real. So bago yan, ito na siya. So narito na yung mga inclusions ng i15 Pro Max. So ito yung bagong cord ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's the Type-C cord. So parehas na siya ng mga regular na mga charging cord ng mga Android. Of course kasama dyan yung kanyang ejection pin, yung kanyang stickers. So the usual basic na inclusions ng iPhone 15. So wala na rin siyang adapter katulad ng mga previous series ng iPhone 15. So tara, buksan na natin yung ating LCD or yung screen ng ating iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pero bago yan, ito pala yung power on and off ng ating phone. Ito yung kanyang alarm. Ito yung kanyang up and down scroll ng side buttons ng ating iPhone Pro Max. And ayan na, binuksan na natin yung LCD ng ating iPhone 15 Pro Max. And yeah, napakagaan niya. Mas magaan siya actually compared sa kanyang mga previous series because of its titanium na frame that making the iPhone 15 Pro Max more lighter but more premium at the same time na tignan. So ayan na, it's now fully turning on and voila, hello to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ayan, so there are many different translation ng hello bago siya mag-fully open. Ayan, nakakatawa. It's very exciting. So it's worth the wait na inantay natin na lumabas yung i15 Pro Max to get an upgrade from our previous phone, which is yung iPhone 12 Pro Max. Ayan na! So set up na natin guys. English. Siyempre, Shelia. Default. Continue. And it's time to set up our Face ID. Ayan. And so this is the regular Face ID. And then sunod naman yung recognition with a face mask. Pero dapat hindi pala naka-face mask. And the last one is pinatanggal yung ating eyeglasses for the Face ID. Ayan. So we're ready to go. And another new feature of this iPhone 15 is that you can now use an eSIM or an electronic SIM. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send the message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music.
Yan na.
Ayan, so ayan na siya. Nabilhan na rin natin ng casing.
Hanggang anak.